Brand24 is a powerful social media monitoring tool that's packed with features, but before you pull the trigger and invest, here are 12 things you need to know. These insights will help you decide whether it's the right fit for your business, especially when compared to other tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social. First off, Brand24 offers real-time social media and web monitoring, letting you track mentions of your brand, competitors, and even specific keywords. This is crucial for businesses that want to stay ahead of the conversation and respond quickly to potential crises, unlike some competitors that have slower updates. It's worth noting that its interface is clean and relatively easy to navigate, so there's a minimal learning curve. Next, Brand24 offers sentiment analysis, helping you gauge whether mentions of your brand are positive, negative, or neutral. This feature is particularly useful if you want to dive deep into customer perception. However, competitors like Sprout Social may provide more detailed insights and advanced features in their sentiment analysis. The third thing to consider is its influencer identification feature. Brand24 lets you discover key influencers discussing your brand, so you can engage with them. While it's a great feature, it's not as extensive or powerful as those offered by specialized tools like BuzzSumo, which are dedicated to finding influencers with more precision. The fourth thing to know is that Brand24 includes a media monitoring feature. It tracks news, blogs, forums, and even videos where your brand might be mentioned. This is a step up compared to basic social media tracking tools, but it might not capture as much content as a tool like Meltwater, which excels in comprehensive media monitoring. Moving on, Brand24's analytics and reporting tools are robust. You can generate detailed reports that include mentions, sentiment analysis, and more. This is especially helpful if you want to show clients or stakeholders the results of your monitoring efforts. However, compared to tools like Hootsuite Analytics, the reporting could use a little more customization. The sixth point is its integration capabilities. Brand24 integrates with other platforms like Slack, Google Analytics, and Zapier, which makes your workflow much easier. Some competitors like Sprout Social offer even more integration options, but for most businesses, Brand24's integrations should be sufficient. The seventh thing to know is Brand24's pricing model. It's priced competitively with tiers based on features and usage volume, starting from a reasonable monthly fee. However, it's important to note that some competitors, like Hootsuite, offer a more extensive free plan, which might be attractive if you're just starting out. Next, Brand24 also includes an automatic reporting feature, which sends reports to your email on a regular basis. This is great for busy professionals, but it's something you'll find in most of its competitors, like Mention, which also offers similar reporting automation. The ninth thing to keep in mind is Brand24's customer support. It offers support via live chat, email, and a detailed knowledge base. It's pretty good, though. Some users report that response times can sometimes be slower than competitors like Sprout Social, which is known for fast and thorough customer service. The 10th thing you'll want to know is that Brand24 is mobile friendly. Their app is available on both iOS and Android, so you can manage your brand's presence on the go. However, the mobile app could still use some improvements compared to others in the space, like Hootsuite's more robust mobile app. The 11th point is Brand24's ability to handle large volumes of mentions. It's an excellent option for businesses with a strong online presence that need to keep track of lots of interactions. However, for super large-scale operations, a tool like Meltwater might provide more advanced capabilities in terms of scaling. Finally, Brand24's dashboard is customizable, so you can see the data that matters most to you. While it offers flexibility, some competitors like Sprout Social provide even more customization options, which can be a deal breaker for businesses that need intricate data views. So, is Brand24 a good option for you? Overall, it's an excellent social media monitoring tool with solid features at a competitive price. However, if you're looking for more advanced reporting, media monitoring, or influencer tools, you might want to check out some of the other options on the market. But if you're still unsure, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. It could be the perfect fit for your needs.